Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about jade rolling. Yup, we're going to roll today and I will have a special guest as my model, so stay tuned for that. But before I jump in with the technique of jade rolling, I really want to talk about the benefits and what I've learned from using this. Oh my gosh, it's been probably a month and a half now, maybe, since Fashion Week. So yeah, I've been using this for quite some time daily, and I really want to talk about the benefits and what I've seen. The first and foremost, I'm just gonna get this out there. So if you're into, crystals, then you'll know that jade has like calming and healing properties. So if you want to incorporate a jade roller into your routine for that reason, you totally can. The number one thing that I think has helped me is that the jade roller itself helps soften out your facial tension, like those muscles. And for me, I furrow my brows often. I'm like this all the time, and I actually have like a line right here, like a wrinkle, because of it, because I'm very expressive. I think with everything I say or do, I'm just very, very expressive, and so because of that, I carry a lot of tension right here. The second benefit that I've noticed is you will actually see this almost right away, but it's like a significant depuffing of your face. So especially in the morning, I'm like extra swollen, like a blowfish, super, like my face is just swollen and I really feel bloated. And so I'll use the jade roller in the morning to kind of depuff. And your face naturally holds excess fluid, and so this is kind of a nice tool to kind of drain that out. And that's why they say jade rolling is really good for lymphatic drainage for that exact reason. Another way that helps with depuffing is putting the jade roller in your fridge. I've been doing this lately too, and it's, first of all, it feels so good. It really wakes you up and it just makes you feel alive. And you can really feel your skin just shrinking almost. It's a weird feeling, but it's just depuffing overall. And so keeping your jade roller in the fridge is a huge thing that'll help with the depuffing and swelling. The third benefit is you're really improving your circulation to the skin. You'll notice this immediately. When you're doing it over and over again on your face for 2 minutes, your cheeks will get rosy, your face will get a little red. You're really bringing in that blood circulation back to your face, and it'll help improve circulation. Now that I've gone through the key benefits with you, I'm gonna bring in my model. All right, we have Ajeet here, and he's gonna be my model, so I can show you guys how I jade roll, and I'm trying to make this as easy as possible. First key thing to know is that you never want to roll on dry skin, okay? You know this. So I do the whole like 9 yards. I spray my face, I do my serum, the oil, the moisturizer, and eye cream, and then I just go right in, okay? Take this out of my fridge, okay? Okay. You look afraid. You know what you're getting into. Okay, oh, also this jade roller right here has 2 ends. So obviously this is for like the bigger parts of your face, and the smaller one is gonna be like under your eyes, above your brows, like where, you know how I furrow my brows, like right here. Okay. All right, so do you have moisturized skin?
Always.
You always want to go in with a gentle hand. Just use the weight of the roller. Don't like attack your face with it, right?
Gentle hand, right?
Gentle hand. Okay, and you just start and you go and it's not
You've
cold.
been in here for so long. And it's still cold.
All right, take your roller and you're gonna sweep outwards and upwards. Okay, outwards and upwards. So can you turn this way for the camera, honey? Okay, so it's like, woo, 1.
It's so cold.
And you're gonna wanna repeat that same spot, I would say 3 or 4 times, okay?
3 or 4 times.
Yes, and then you're gonna move to the next section, 3 or 4 times, outwards and upwards.
I need a blanket, I'm cold.
And you're pushing, and you're just kinda like pushing out the drainage, if that makes sense, or towards.
So where's it draining into?
It's actually, your drainage points are here, and like right here.
So it all comes out of my ear?
Anyways, you do this outwards and upwards. And then when you get to the eye area, you kind of switch sides to the smaller side.
Be careful.
And
I only
just
have 1 pair of eyes.
Gentle. Same motion. Couple times. I like to do my brows. Oh, I can imagine how good I feel. Like I'm gonna do it tonight. It's gonna feel so good. Like it helps with headaches too, I feel like.
I'm getting one right now.
Oh no!
I don't even see it.
God. Okay, you get up and look for it. Yeah, like behind me. Everything wrong that could happen in this video is happened. I've been using this jade roller for 2 months. Like none of this has ever happened.
Into 4 pieces.
Anyways, there's like a little crack right here, and I was really trying to like glue it together with my lash glue. Didn't work. I'm just gonna finish the demonstration because you get the point. Clearly I need to buy a new jade roller. I think Amazon has some for like 15 bucks. This one was $64, so.
Buying a cheaper one must be better.
Yeah, clearly don't think that just because things are expensive it's better. Like this is proof. I don't know what's wrong with this one. Well, anyways, I don't know where I was in the demonstration. Do you remember where I was? Ah!
Oh, I think you were taking this and like going like this. All the lymphatic juices that come out of my ears.
So you kind of get the gist, right? Outwards and upwards on the face. Use a smaller portion for under your eyes, your eyebrows, even right here. Now, just one thing for your neck, you always want to go down. So think as you're going down, like you're going towards your drainage, and your drainage is here.
It's going in my chest.
Okay, so like where's your clavicle? Your clavicle right here.
Not on camera.
And so you're gonna start maybe about like an inch above your clavicle. That's how you're gonna start. You're gonna take your roller, please cooperate, and you're just gonna go down. Let's do a different demonstration. We're just gonna take this, and we're going to go like this downwards. Do that 3 times, 3 or 4 times.
I don't know if this works.
It does. So then like go down like this 3 or 4 times, right? And then move up. So go up towards your neck and then go back down towards your clavicle, okay? When you get to the point where you're at your chin, you're gonna wanna do this and down. Is that clear? Can you turn your head like this? So this way, so outwards and down. That's the proper way to do it, okay?
It really is very, very cold.
And then cheek, obviously, again, this way. So anyways, that's the exact way you're supposed to. Clearly, I'm not going to be doing this tonight. So that concludes our amazing demonstration.
Really just top-notch
Yeah.
stuff right
I
there.
feel like the video started out pretty promising. Like I gave you the key benefits, like I gave you everything, and then you came in the picture. And my jade roller that I've had for 2 months broke to pieces.
And it's still rolling around.
It's still rolling. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope this was informative. A little. I at least try to give you the motions, the technique that you should be using your jade roller, okay? So remember, outwards, upwards, towards your drainage, which is like your ears, and then also for your neck, go down, and then 3 to 4 times, and then repeat. You know what I mean? Morning and night, you'll really see a difference with like lymphatic drainage and depuffing, and you know, all the good stuff.
Lots of depuffing.
Thank you guys for tuning in, and we will chat soon.
Bye.
Bye.